this video I will show you how to make this bubble stitch heart keychain, and it can be a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. To make this bubble heart you will need fine yarn. I use acrylic yarn Melissa Cool, 3.5 mm crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle, a little keychain and a little bit of stuffing. Make a slip knot and chain 4. And starting from the second chain from the hook, make single crochet. And in next 2 chains also make just 1 single crochet in each chain. So right now we have a total of 3 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. And here in this first stitch we'll make also a single crochet, but in this next one we will make our first bubble. So yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch, yarn over, pull through, we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull your yarn through only 2 loops. Repeat the same, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through your yarn only through 2 loops. Repeat the same 3 more times. One more. Until you have a total of 6 loops on your hook. Now just yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. So our bubble will be here on this side. Right now just make a single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn. So this row will be row number 3 and we will make increases in all 3 stitches. So in first one we will just make a normal increase, so 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Later we go to this long stitch of our bubble, and in this stitch we'll make 3 single crochet. So we have 1, 2 and 3. This is how it looks. And in the last stitch again an increase, so just 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And right now from 3 stitches we made 7. In the first stitch we will work a single crochet. In the next one we will make a bubble stitch. So again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat the same 4 more times until you have 6 loops on your hook. Okay, one more time. We have 6 loops, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Again, we'll make a bubble stitch in this next one. Okay, I have 6 loops on my hook, so yarn over and pull through all 6. Again, single crochet the next one, and we will repeat the same in this last 2 stitches. So here in this next one we'll make again a bubble stitch, Okay, and single crochet in the next one. And here again just chain one and turn your work. This is how it looks like from the front side right now. This is the wrong side. In this row number 5, we will again make some increases. So in this first stitch we'll make an increase, so 2 single crochet in the same stitch. In the next one also the same, so just 2 single crochet. In the next 3 stitches we will make just 1 single crochet, so here will be 1, 2 and 3, and in these 2 last ones again we'll make increases. So here in this first, we'll make 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and in the next one 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Now again chain 1 and turn your work. So as you can see, here we will work just bubbles, and in these rows that we don't work bubbles, we will make increases. So now instead of 7 we have 11 stitches, and again in this first stitch we'll just work single crochet, and in the next one we will make a bubble stitch. Okay, single crochet in the next one, and just repeat this 1 bubble, 1 single crochet to the end of this round, finishing with a single crochet. Just made my last single crochet of this row number 6, so as you can see we have 5 bubble stitches here. Now again just chain 1 and turn your work, and again in this row number 7 we will work increases. So in these 2 first stitches we will make an increase, so 2 stitches in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Later we just work single crochet in each stitch until we have 2 stitches left. Okay, so here we have 2 stitches left, and again we will make increases. So in this stitch 2 single crochet, and in the last one again 2 single crochet, chain 1 and turn. So again we added 4 stitches here in these 2 corners, and right now we will work our bubble stitch row. So make a single crochet in the first stitch, and later we will work bubble single until the end of this row. So after this row number 8, we will have 15 stitches with 7 bubbles. So as you can see, here we have 7 bubbles. I just made my last single crochet, chain 1 and turn, and right now we will not increase anymore. So in this row number 9, we'll just make 15 single crochet, so just 1 single crochet in each stitch, chain 1 and turn, and now we will repeat the same bubble stitch as the previous one. So again we will just make one single and one bubble to the end to have again 7 bubble stitches. After our last single crochet, just chain 1 and turn. This is how it looks like already. And the next row, row number 11, it will be our decreasing row. So we'll make a first decrease from this first 2 stitches and pull through all 3. Okay. Make another decrease from next 2 stitches. Now we will work 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, so 1 and 2 in the next one. And now in these 3 stitches that we have here in the center, we will work slip stitches. Make them quite loose because later we have to work inside them and sometimes it's quite complicated. 2 and 3. Okay, in the next 2 stitches again we will work single crochet, so 2 single crochet, and as you can see we still have 4 stitches left, so we will make 2 decreases, 1 decrease and another one from these last 2 stitches. And again chain 1 and turn the work. This row, row number 12, will be our last one of this part. So here in this first stitch, make a single crochet. Later, make a bubble. Okay, single crochet in the next stitch. Again, make a bubble. Single crochet in the next stitch. As you can see, it was a slip stitch. So just make a single crochet in this slip stitch. Okay. Now we will work 2 more slip stitches. 1 and 2. In the next one, make a bubble. Single crochet in the next one. And we still have 2 stitches left, so in the next one make another bubble and finish with a single crochet. One more. Single crochet in the next one. Now just chain 1 and cut this yarn. So this will be the front part of our heart, and now we will make exactly the same heart but only with single crochet. So when you go back to the beginning of this video, you will work exactly the same heart, but every bubble that we made will just make a single crochet instead. This is how the second heart looks like. This one with single crochet. Now just I already chained one. And turn your work. Do not cut this yarn because we will use this yarn to join two parts together. As you can see, this with single crochet looks smaller, but don't worry, they have exactly the same number of stitches and it will all fit perfectly. So right now, place this bubble heart on the top of this one. Insert your hook here in this first stitch and we will just work single crochet all over. So just go stitch by stitch, entering through both hearts and just make single crochet and work like this all over. Stop a few stitches before the end so we can stuff our heart. And obviously, yes, it will be a little bit difficult here on the sides because you don't have stitches here, but just look for some places to join both parts together. Here in this corner, I made 2 single crochet. I think it will look better. And right now I still have open this part, so I just put some stuffing. Finish to join these both parts together and do not cut the yarn because we will use it to sew our keychain. When you reach the end, just make a slip stitch in the first stitch, chain 1, and I said it wrong, cut the yarn but leave very long tail so we can use it to sew our keychain. Obviously it doesn't have to be keychain, you just can use it as just little plushie or a cushion for your dolls. So right now just put on the yarn on the needle, enter somewhere here. Okay. Take your keychain and just enter here in this last chain and sew it a few times. To secure it and just insert here cut the yarn, weave in the end, and your heart keychain is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.